No, he got to do that. I was going to pay him.
She's doing it after stuff. No,
So,
busy.
I'm going to.
I can tell him what I needed because I need that dough done. I can't see
Listen, no, see, you're doing the Musso thing again. No, you can't do it.
Since I'm in that washing machine, it's doing damn.
When you gone. I told him, don't get here till you left. That's right.
Hey, why you say I E-word? You're not supposed to say that. You want to be whatever you ain't good is who live in the world. How many times power robot that comes from another good matter. You couldn't see me. Somebody else hold up, whatever. Alright, hold up, Pino. You. Madam Gazelle, you are arrested for slapping her. Take her away. No, no. My hands. 2 minutes later. Okay, fine. I feel like I gotta get a drink of water or go in the washing machine of doom. Oh, what is this damn thing? Ah! Oh, look, it's a waterfall. Warm water. Oh no, I'm gonna sink. That will not be good. No, no. Oh no. I know I'm okay. What is... Uh-oh. I feel like... Oh my god, that is so violent. Oh my god. I feel like I could cough. Oh, get out of here. Probably I'm in here. Let's watch a movie. You feel clean though. You know what I'm talking about? That is so violent. See, it's thing loading on the... Help me! Oh my god! There's another washing machine in here. Agitating. Oh my god! No. When the washer is clean. hot in here. Somebody crack the window. Can I get out now? Okay. Ouch. Two minutes later. I'm clean. Yeah. I'm clean. Yeah. I'm a clean little sheep. I'm a sheep. I'm a sheep. I'm a clean little sheep. Yeah. I'm a clean little sheep. Yeah. I'm a clean little sheep. I'm clean.